Well, hello again, and this is my Jegan first deployment type. It's a P-Bandai kit, and I love Jegans, by the way. So yeah, this is a, like I said, P-Bandai kit. This is not a review, by the way, this is just me showing my finished Jegan first deployment type. So it is the exact same kit as the regular Jegan. But not, this is also P-Bandai kit, by the way. So this is the one from Unicorn, and this is the one from just before Unicorn, I guess. So they're exactly the same. They both come with the same weapons. This one doesn't come with this weapon, by the way. I have one bazooka lying around, so I gave it the bazooka. And yeah, see, same backpack. No difference there. They both come with water slide decals, and I hate those things because I never get them to stick. And they suck. This one's already letting go. But what you gonna do? So, by the way, I also have the Charge Counterattack Jegan, and you can see there's not much difference. The shoulders, the crotch area, but the legs are mostly the same, and there's a little difference in the backpack, but overall they're the same kit. So that's it for me again. Bye guys.